Hey guys, what's up? This is Jim. If you have an array like this one and you want to save it as an Excel file on a mobile phone like Android or iOS using capacitor, this video may help you. So let's get started. First, you have to install a couple of npm packages. These three ones: capacitor-blob-writer, XLSX, capacitor file system. Make sure you install them. And then you go to your, here I'm using Angular. You import the three of them. After that, make sure you have your array, like this one. Then you define a variable with the MIME type of your file content. After that, you convert your array to Excel sheet and save it. Next, you create a variable to define the data for your Excel file. And make sure if you have eslint to put this line to disable lint, because here it's using capital letter at the beginning. Then you create the file with the content. In this line you create the Excel file. Then you convert it to a blob using the MIME type you defined before. And now you have your Excel data in binary. Now all you have to do is to save it to your file system. Here I'm using a plugin to save it because it's a blob. It's a little different to save from pure string. You define the file name, you choose the director, and you put the blob, the binary data. And here I'm just showing some messages in case of error or success. And finally, a bonus tip: if you are using Android, if the saving is not working, probably it's missing this part on your Android manifest. Make sure you add this line to the application part of your Android manifest. And that's all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.